Hello class, hope everybody had a great weekend. We're going to continue with logic gates. This week on Friday you will have a test. This will be on everything we've learned up till now. So the logic gates we've looked at so far are AND gates, OR gates, and NOT gates. For each of those gates you should know how to make a circuit or know the circuit symbol for each of those gates. Know how to make a truth table for each of those. Know how to make out the output waveform based on the input waveform and the Boolean expressions. Okay, know how to do those individually and also in some combination. Okay, so test is Friday, so this week we're going to review basically everything and narrow down exactly what the test will be like, because I know we looked at a lot of different stuff. So basically today and tomorrow we'll just look at each gate individually and kind of review these four things for each of the gates, and then Wednesday and Thursday we'll do some more combination examples. Okay, so whatever we cover this week is what you should focus on for the test for Friday. The test for Friday will be just like a normal assignment, except it will be due that day. The test will post Friday morning. It's 30 points, and you have till the end of the day to finish it and turn it back in. Okay, so it's just going to be like a normal assignment. It's just going to be a much more bigger assignment and worth 30 points. Okay, so today we're just going to look at basically the truth tables and the circuit symbols. So remember an OR gate. This is the circuit symbol for an OR gate. Don't worry about the expression yet. We'll look at the expressions tomorrow, and I'll show you exactly which expressions I want you to use. So you have your truth table for the OR gate. So if you have, based on how many inputs you have, you write out your inputs and then your output. If you watched the video from the professor last week, the way he made his truth tables, if you prefer that method, you can use that method. Okay, so you always must make sure you have every combination possible. And an OR gate is when either X or Y is on. Okay, so one or the other, as long as one is on. Okay. Then we have the AND gate. AND gate is when X and Y is both on. So they both have to be on for the output to be on. Okay, and I gave you an example here. I remember you had to do a 3-input AND gate, so this is what it should have looked like. Okay. And here's the symbol for the AND gate. There's a flat side and a curved end. And as far as an AND gate, no matter how many inputs you have, basically you could just do it as multiplication. But we'll look at the expressions more tomorrow. So basically just truth tables and the circuit symbols. Then we have the NOT gate. Remember, the NOT gate is also called the inverter. NOT gate can only ever have one input, and you use it either right before or right after a single logic gate. Okay. So you can't have an input, go through a NOT gate, have a different input, and then put that through a second circuit. Okay, it's got to be straight into one circuit or straight after another gate. So basically one input, so the truth table for NOT gate is very easy. It's only after it comes, after a NOT gate, sorry, logic gate, it's called an inverter. Okay, and it's basically just a little triangle. I did draw it with a little circle before. Either one's fine. Okay. Okay, so that was basically today's review. You will see on the assignment I have posted kind of like a little review sheet. It's a couple pages working over AND gates, NOT gates, and OR gates. Just kind of give you an easy review, make sure you understand it all. So you should be working on that throughout the week. And on Thursday, if you have any questions, by then we'll kind of review all of that together. If you have any questions for now, just get with me on Teams. Alright guys, have a great day.